Welcome back. Now this video is for class 11th and 12th. How to convert a secondary carbon to a tertiary carbon. Secondary carbon are those which have two more carbon attached to that carbon having functional group. Let us see. This is a secondary carbon. Carbon to which OH is attached, that is functional group, is attached with two more carbon. This is secondary carbon. And carbon to which functional group is attached having three more carbon are called tertiary carbon. Now in this case I am going to write a question first and then we will take up the answers. But before that I will write the flow chart. Let us see. This is a secondary alcohol called butane to all. 1 to all, meth eth prop butane to all. Now this has to be converted to 2-methyl propane to all. 2-methyl propane to all. Now these are isomeric versions. This is straight chain, this is branched structure. These are isomeric forms. Isomers we will discuss some other time. There are 7 types of isomers among structural and stereo both. That is a different topic altogether. But these are isomers because the molecular formula is same, but the structural arrangement is different. So in this case, first I will write the steps. Then we will do them in terms of flow chart. And I will do it in single shot. Number 1, decrease 1 carbon. Then convert to secondary alcohol. Then apply Markovnikov rule. Then convert to carbonyl group. And then apply Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis in acidic medium. These are 4 major steps. So we will do them one by one. Reduce nickel 300 degrees centigrade, it changes to alkane. Water eliminated. Now oxidize in acidified potassium dichromate, it changes to carboxylic acid. Now do soda lime reaction. Soda with lime and heat. It changes to propane. This is done. Decrease 1 carbon. One step is done. Now oxidize under controlled condition to give propane 1-ol. Do beta elimination at 170 degrees centigrade, dehydrate to give propene. Convert propene to halide in terms of Markovnikov rule, which we discussed in the previous video. It changes to secondary halide. It changes to secondary halide. Now secondary halide can be converted to secondary alcohol by aqueous KOH. It changes to secondary alcohol. Now this secondary alcohol can be oxidized in copper to give ketone. Ketone, now this group is ready. This group is secondary alcohol. Now you add Grignard reagent with 1 carbon, CH3MgBr. It forms an intermediate, it is nucleophilic addition reaction. Intermediate compound called butoxy magnesium halide, followed by hydrolysis in acidic medium. This is electropositive, this is electronegative, to give the required product. Again I repeat, isomeric version, decrease one carbon, then convert to secondary alcohol converted to carbonyl group, and then Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis in acidic medium. If at all had there been chlorine, you could have done beta elimination and then reductive ozonolysis. That we can discuss. Take one question and try to do it on your own and put it in the comments. The question can be 2-chlorobutane to 2-methyl propane to what? Same, but this is halide. So halide can be converted to alkene, or you can reduce it to and then apply same method. Thank you.